We're here today at Springfield Technical Community College presenting our STEM robotics seminar and competition. We brought this seminar out here today to challenge the students of STIC to work together as a team to design, assemble, build, and compete in a robotics competition. The purpose of the competition is to give them an idea or a sense of what National Guard soldiers face out there on their real-world missions. So a National Guard soldier may respond to an emergency domestically or a mission overseas, and they need to accomplish a mission no matter the situation they find themselves in. So today what we've done is we've given each team a box of parts, a box of robotics components, metal nuts, bolts, and electronics, and we've told them that you need to work together and put together a robotic creation to navigate an obstacle course that you've never seen. Once complete, teams will compete on our custom-built robotics obstacle course in order to navigate by remote video feed in and out, picking up a piece of ordnance and returning it faster than their competing teams. The winner of this competition is going to receive a custom dog tag medal and some other prizes from the National Guard today. Everyone that participates is going to leave with a certificate of completion from the Homeland Security Institute and the National Guard Bureau.
I think this event is going really well. The National Guard came, and they did this for the STEM Starter Academy, and it was really great. So we are building robots, little rovers that go through an obstacle course, and it's really cool to learn about building and robotics and how that all works together. Well, we also learn how to work together as a team. I think it's been ups and downs. Sometimes you're missing parts and you have to ask for them, but that's okay. And it's learning, and I hope it will work in the end, and I'm having a fun time.